Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the VLGOEM Indoor HDTV antenna for smart TVs. The 2025 upgraded version that promises to deliver crystal-clear HD channels, long-distance reception, and easy setup for your home entertainment. If you're tired of paying for cable or streaming services, this antenna might be the solution you've been looking for. This antenna is designed to pick up local channels and without any extra fees. It's equipped with a powerful signal booster that combines the latest amplifier technology with a smart IC chip, aiming to provide a stronger and more stable signal whether you live in a city apartment or a suburban home. The manufacturer claims coverage of up to 1,400 miles, and it supports both 1080p and 4K resolution, so your favorite shows, sports, and news should come through in high definition. One of the standout features is its 360-degree signal reception. This means you don't have to fuss too much with antenna positioning. Signals can be picked up from all directions. The antenna itself is sleek and slim, with a lightweight design that makes it versatile enough to place on a desk, mount on a wall, or even position near a window for the best reception. The overall dimensions are compact at just under 4 inches long, less than an inch wide, and about 7.8 inches in height, which means it won't take up much space in your living room. Installation is straightforward. Simply connect the antenna to your TV, scan for channels, and you're ready to go. The antenna also allows you to switch amplifier modes, so you can adjust the signal boost depending on your location and needs. It comes with a standard coaxial cable, and the setup is intended to be quick and easy, without requiring professional installation or complicated tools. Whether you're looking to cut the cord, pick up free over-the-air channels, or just want an easy way to boost your TV reception, this indoor HDTV antenna offers a combination of affordability, performance, and convenience. Its compact, modern design blends well with most home interiors, and the promise of 4K and 1080p picture quality makes it appealing for any TV setup. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're considering a simple, budget-friendly way to enhance your TV viewing experience without monthly fees, this antenna is definitely worth a closer look. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights.